In this video, I will show how to upgrade a virtual machine in Linode. I am logged into Linode. On this account, we have 3 virtual machines. I need to upgrade this virtual machine. Click on the 3 dot on the right side. Click on Resize. This is the current plan, Linode 2 GB. It costs $12 per month. Comes with 1 CPU and 50 GB storage. I will upgrade this server to 8 GB RAM. That includes 4 CPU and 160 GB storage. Scroll down. Here there is 2 types of resize. One is warm resize, other is cold resize. During the warm resize, your Linode will remain up and running for the duration of the process and will be rebooted to complete the resize. Other is cold resize. During the cold resize, your Linode will be shut down. The warm resize is recommended, but if you have a busy database or something, it is better do a cold resize. I will do a cold resize. Auto resize disk. If the checkbox is checked, storage will be upgraded to 160 GB according to this plan. If you plan to downgrade this virtual machine in the future, do not upgrade the storage. Once the storage is upgraded, there is no way to downgrade it. In this case, I will go with the disk resize. Here you need to enter the name of the virtual machine to confirm. Copy the name of the virtual machine, paste it. Click on Resize Linode. Currently the virtual machine is running. Let's refresh the page to see the status. Now the status is changed to resizing. And here you can see the progress, notifications. Linode resizing to 8 GB plan, and you can see the progress. Started 40 seconds ago. Virtual machine status changed to running. This is how you upgrade a Linode virtual machine. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.